Hello everyone. Our today's subject is Play to Learn of Standard 2 Sports Skills. So today we are going to see different types of skills. The first one is catching the ball bounced on the wall. Here is the example of it. In this video you can see one child is bouncing the ball on the wall, and in return the ball is coming back towards him and he is catching the ball. So this is one type of skill. The next one is catching the thrown ball. So in this picture you can see the girl is throwing the ball, and in this video this boy is throwing the ball to different kids. In catching the ball, the person has to stay active by seeing the position of the ball towards whom it is coming and then catching it. So this is the another skill which is called as catching the thrown ball. Okay, so this activity also you can try with your friends. The next one is catching the ring. So here two players also can play this game, or you can play by yourself. So this is one ring, and I am going to show you how we can play with this ring. So you have to just throw the ring and catch it. Throw and catch it. This is called as throwing. And when it is coming back in your hand, again it is called as catching. Okay? Now next skill is throwing and catching the ball. As you can see, the two kids, they are playing with one ball. One is throwing the ball and the another kid is catching the ball. So in this way, throwing and catching the ball can be played. You can play with two kids or more than two kids. I hope you will like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, goodbye.